Are you thinking about moving to Galveston? Well, sit down, honey, because the average person underestimates their yearly living costs by $12,000 to $15,000. And that's before you even buy your first beach chair. And yes, Karen, this is why your budget from inland Sugarland won't stretch as far as waterfront Pirates Beach. It's really two different planets. My name is Shari, and they call me the real estate matchmaker. And trust me, I've helped enough people relocate here to know exactly what bills make folks say, oh my gosh, I wasn't ready for this. We're covering the 5 hidden costs that realtors whisper about after you close. But not me. I'm going to give you the whole truth and nothing but the truth with a little cinnamon on top. And number 5, that one hits harder than a mosquito at a summer barbecue. You're not prepared, but you will be. All right, y'all, let's start with the one that slaps people the hardest right out of the gate, windstorm insurance. And if you thought that your windstorm was covered under your homeowners, I've got news. Your regular insurance in Galveston covers fire, theft, liability, but wind, hurricanes, tropical storms, nope. There's a whole extra policy for that. Average windstorm costs about $2,500 a year. Beachfront, think $4,000 to $8,000 a year. And if you're beachfront, maybe higher. Higher than my blood pressure at the closing table of a buyer who didn't budget for this. Meanwhile, if you're coming from Dallas or Houston with your little $1,800 homeowner's policy, guess what? In Houston, that's just going to cover the toaster. And you better hope that toaster is not near a window. Before you fall in love with that perfect coastal house, call your agent and get a quote. And don't be surprised after. We're grown here. In Galveston County, chances are you're in a flood zone. And FEMA says, would you like this house? Great. That'll be $1,200 to $4,000 a year. Flood averages $992 to about $1,500 a year. But if your house is valued at more than $250,000 a year, you're going to need excess flood insurance too. So let's do the Shari math. Windstorm, $2,480. Flood, $1,444. Standard homeowners, $2,000. Total, $5,924 a year. And just like that, your dream of having a daily iced latte turns into a weekly treat. But listen, even if your lender doesn't require flood insurance, get it. I've seen low-risk areas turn into lakes faster than I can say, bulkhead repair. You know those memes about Texas heat? They're really cute, but Galveston humidity? Oh, that's heat with an attitude. Summer electric bills can run anywhere from $250 to $350, and in the winter, $150 to $200 plus. You might need dehumidifiers, your water rates, salt air filters. I've had clients in older beach houses pay $400 to $500 a month in summer because their AC is basically running a marathon while wearing ankle weights. If your AC unit could talk down here, it'd be filing a workers' comp claim. And water, Galveston has some of the highest water rates in Texas, about $80 to $120 a month. This is why I always tell my clients, get the last 12 months utility bills. If they don't want to give it to you, maybe it's a red flag, so big it should be flying over a pirate ship. Oh, this one really gets people. HOA fees, $50 to $400 a month. Do you call that reasonable? Special assessments? Oh, this is where they're really going to get you. If you need storm damage repair or pool repair or elevator repair, I've seen special assessments from $2,000 to $15,000. Do now, or maybe they'll work out a payment plan with you. You know, that's the kind of bill that'll make you go sit in your car in total silence for 10 or 30 minutes. Always try to see the last 3 years of the HOA meeting minutes. Look at the reserve fund balance. Look at the upcoming projects. If reserves are low and repairs are looming, you're not buying a house, you're buying the right to help pay for its problems. And now the one nobody really wants to talk about, but everyone will pay for, salt, air, corrosion. Salt air destroys everything. And by everything, I mean everything. HVAC systems corrode, cars rust, outdoor furniture dies in 3 years or less, light fixtures dissolve like Alka-Seltzer. HVAC lifespan inland, 15 to 20 years. In Galveston, 10 to 15. Your replacement cost can be anywhere from $6,000 to $20,000. Salt air is like your ex. He keeps ruining your life even though you've moved on. Cars, you need to budget extra $500 to $800 more a year. Outdoor stuff, you need to budget $200 to $300 extra. Exterior maintenance, you can figure about $1,000 plus every couple of years. Total, $3,000 to $5,000 a year in accelerated maintenance. You really can't escape it. You can only plan for it. So there you go, the 5 hidden costs of living in Galveston that you need to know before you move here. But listen, do I want you to move here? Absolutely I do. Do I want you moving here blind? Absolutely not. This is coastal living, not coastal guessing. Which is why I offer free 30-minute relocation consults where we break down your real numbers, insurance quotes, HOA docs, utilities, everything. The link's below, or just call me. Drop a comment and tell me which hidden cost shocked you the most. I read them all, even the spicy ones. Hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Remember, I'm Shari, the real estate matchmaker, helping you find the right home, the right neighborhood, and the right budget so your beach life is a blessing, not a bill. See y'all next week.